Hi, welcome to my channel, AG Sapphire Star Dolls. Except today, I'll be opening a new type of doll that I haven't opened on the channel before. And that is one of the new G3 Monster High dolls. The Skulltimate Secret Series 2 Fearidescent dolls hit my local Target this week. So today I was in the area and I picked up one of them, and that is Lagoona Blue. While I was picking out Lagoona Blue Fearidescent, I also saw the first wave of her was on sale, so I decided to get that too. And I thought it would work out well because she could model the second outfit of the Fearidescent doll, as she comes with 2 outfits and accessories. Very nice art. And then I noticed that they have the other 4 characters, not the doll that you're purchasing. Okay. This packaging is really cool. Also, I love these colors. These are some of my favorite colors. Shades of blue-green. From the moment I first saw any of the Skulltimate Secret dolls, series 1 or 2, I was really excited because I thought these cases were so fun. And the fact that they come with 2 outfits altogether just seems really awesome. I think these could be fun for display or storage. Oh, that's fun. On the back there's the Monster High logo with webbing coming out. I also kind of like this style of doll where it's secret, like how the OMG dolls used to be. I think I can just open this up and that'll be the doll. Oh wow. Oh, she's like a little locker. It looks like her locker. It's decorated how someone at Monster High may decorate their locker. That's awesome. And there she is. Oh, she looks good. Light purple sparkly lips are awesome. That shirt is pretty nice. I noticed they all have this shimmery bottom. The shoes are awesome. Oh, it looks like there's some directions below her feet. Explains how to use the keys. I think these have color-coded keys. Fun. Oh, so how do I get the first key out? It's not in this. Maybe I'll read the directions. Okay, I looked at these directions quickly, and the key is at her feet. I just missed it. It kind of blends in. It's really small, smaller than I expected, and silver. So it just blended into her background. Let's get her and her key out. So you are able to remove her from her locker without damaging the backdrop. So that's really nice. You just cut a bunch of these little elastics, making sure you don't cut her hair. None are on her clothes, just around her hair, essentially. This outfit is awesome. After opening her, I'm really glad that I chose to get her. I love her color scheme. I just always love pastels in blue, purple, and pink. Her lips are so cool. Because she's a winter themed doll, right? I've noticed a lot of winter themed dolls have sparkly lips or maybe just the Wintertime Wonderland Bratz is what I'm thinking of. She's awesome. Her boots come off in the back with just straps. And there's some tape for protection. This is my first G3 Monster High doll out of its packaging, so this is pretty cool. Her limbs bend pretty easily. It's fun. She has these bell sleeves which accommodate her arm fins, which are attached. And this fun skirt that I think you can push this out. I don't know if it's supposed to be pushed out more. I don't know if I like the top or the skirt more, or the shoes. Okay, let's open her accessories. Oh wow, her hair is really smooth. I don't think there's any product in there, so that makes things easier if you don't like washing out product every time you get a new doll. I usually don't mind, and I often leave them on the shelf with their styled product hair. Wow, she's cute. Okay, let's get to her accessories. Let's get her key out. Her key was at the bottom back, right there, with 2 plastic ties. Oh, it's so small. It's so small. Adorable. Okay, so this must wash off, even though I think the silver looks really awesome. Or could I open it without washing it? It's so pretty. Oh, that might be a hint to the color. Maybe I'll skip the washing for now. That looks like the brightest teal. There we go. Locker number 1. Yeah, I guess I might skip the washing process for today. Oh. Oh, this is adorable. Very similar to the OMG packaging. So nice. I guess you just rip it open. Ooh, another key with a plastic cover to keep the paint on. Ooh, her shirt, her second shirt. I think I saw this logo on her first slave doll. Oh, no, never mind. Similar. Wow, looks like a full outfit in here. Oh, her winter stole scarf. So cute. Wow. And, oops, her second pants, which are shorts with tights underneath. Very interesting. That is all in package / locker number 1. Oh. I don't know if that's intentional or not. It looks like the minty green. Compact, complete with sponge. I didn't see a key, but I'll just grab another random key to open the last locker. Keys fit pretty loosely. Maybe I opened the lockers in the wrong order, and that's why that one didn't have the key. That could be it. That would make sense. Yep, there's another key. Oops. Guess I mixed up the colors. Last items are a necklace and a headband, crown. Very nice. And oh, earrings. Okay. Oh my gosh. At first I thought these were spare hands. That's what they looked like at the bottom of the bag. But nope, these are earrings. I saw the art. Okay, that seems to be everything. Wow. So we have Lagoona, her 4 keys, her key ring, her compact, her earrings, her purse, her headband, her beverage, her necklace, and her boots for her second outfit, and her second outfit. Oh. Nice. I think I'm gonna go ahead and open the other Lagoona and she can model this outfit. Or I could just put this on her because it seems to go with this one. Oh. There we go. Very nice. I'll have to find some stands for these dolls because I'll probably take up too much shelf space if they all sit. It's nice to have stands. Came out pretty easily. Let's get her out of her backing. Here I have the second Lagoona from her packaging. She is adorable too. So here they are next to each other. Very cute. Similar, but a few small differences. I just put these on, but I'm gonna take them off. Essentially the same eye color, different lip color, same freckle pattern and color, similar forehead scales, but hers are more green. Very cute. I actually like this outfit a lot, so I probably will not change her into the second Fearidescent outfit. And then I saw there was no paint on the back of this Wave 1 doll's knees, which I think might be a change. I feel like I remember paint chipping problems with the original release, so maybe they modified it, which would be cool. This one has protective tape around the knees. And oh yeah, their hair color is pretty much all the same colors, but Wave 1 Lagoona has more blonde, mostly blonde, And then Fearidescent Lagoona has less blonde and more teal purple. These girls are really cute. I like Pink Lagoona. She's fun. Oh, and then of course this one has straight hair and this one has wavier hair. That also feels gel-less. So yeah, that's it. Oh, I forgot to say Wave 1 Lagoona has many accessories. Her little pet, which is adorable, Neptuna, and this backpack that opens, sunglasses, a second outfit in the form of a swimsuit because she is a sea monster, a water bottle with a removable cap, and her phone, and her kelp crisp seaweed chips, and then a goldfish box. Super cute, just like goldfish crackers. There's a piranha and then little goldfish crackers and nutrition facts and a finger loop. Awesome. Okay, so that's it for the Lagoona opening. Also, I think I'll add, before going to pick up Lagoona, or the two Lagoonas at Target, I went to a thrift store, Savers, which is very close to Target, and I found this OMG doll, and I thought she was, this Savers is usually kind of expensive, but I thought this was pretty reasonable because she has her hand, she has what I think is her necklace, her complete earrings, her shirt, her skirt, and her shoes. She's just missing her leggings, vest, purse, essentially. So I thought this was pretty cool, and I thought she was pretty new, and she is in fact from the Queen's line called Prism. I'm just gonna open her up quick. Then after I found her, I found a really cool furniture piece, which is, I found this cool American Girl sized vanity by My Life As. And I think it might even include everything it comes with, and they still sell this brand new at my local Walmart and online for $26.97. And this was $5.99, and I want to open up this bag and see if the accessories are in there. That would be awesome, so I'm going to do that. I thought the vanity looked like it could be like a historical vanity, like Julie could use it. And then this stool is included, pretty nice. And then this little makeup bag. It's pretty large, it seems large for a doll. It has this cute rainbow on it, only on the front. And I could tell that it was full at the store, so I was hoping it had all the vanity accessories and two curlers. I don't know if that was supposed to be part of vanity. Oh, yep, a makeup set. The makeup palette, yeah, I think this was part of the set. 2 brushes. Okay, so this seems like most of the vanity items. Oh, this super fancy perfume. I really like the perfumes with the pretty flower tops. This bag is so nice. 3 giant makeup brushes. And another, oh, nail polish. A lipstick that opens, oh my gosh, this is awesome. And a compact that opens, wow, with another sponge, just like Lagoona's. This is called a sponge, right? Yeah, usually. Sometimes they're sponge, sometimes they're more cottony. Oops. So cool. It's like the classic CoverGirl compact that I used like 10 years ago. Then we have our OMG. And I have found handless OMGs at this thrift store before and others. So I did check for hands this time and was very happy to see 2 hands, even the correct ones it seems. Shoes, skirt, shirt, just no vest. A necklace that's probably hers, not sure, and then 2, like, both of her earrings with their second piece and all. Their little layered piece. I didn't notice that at first. And her hair is just down. So she's in really nice shape. Just missing a couple pieces, but she has everything you essentially need. Shirt, bottom, shoes, even earrings. She's really cute. I like her lipstick and eyeshadow color and her hair color. Her bangs are still gelled. This isn't. You can still see a few crimps in her hair. I saw she's supposed to have crimped hair. She smells nice and clean. Okay, so yeah, that was just a small thrift haul that I happened to get before I picked up the Lagoonas. Now I will end the video. Put her on this American Girl sized stool, supposedly. This is really cute. It's really big. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Bye!